po guys, maglalaro po tayo. Barry's Prison. Like and subscribe po kayo. Pag gusto niyo po gawin ko yung hard. Subscribe kayo. Hard tayo. Akala mo siga ka. Siga si ano, nakasalamin si Barry, oh.
Uy, wait lang.
Bahala na. Nag-vlog lang ako, eh.
Ha? Dadaan ko lang. Dadaan ko ah.
Siga si Barry.
Pag nandaan ka na sa finish ha, huliin mo ako ah.
Hindi alam ni Barry, parkour master ako. Hindi alam ni
Ano
Barry.
yan, iba?
Hindi. Pinili ko mahirap, eh. Oh my God! Hindi ko naman alam ng ganyan. Talaga naman tayo siya, ginanon na ako. Pero totoo po guys, parkour master talaga ako. More tayo siya.
Pera.
Yep. What po siya? Yan. Okay. So, alam na natin may gap.
2 hours kasi.
Guys. Aya. Hindi po alam. Ni Barry.
Ay, ko!
Parkour master ako. Siga siya, eh. Sabi niya siga daw siya. Pero hindi alam ni Barry parkour master. Ari,
Kita.
bro. Hey, yo, Barry! Ito plano mo? Siga ka talaga, Barry, ah.
Nakikita mo ko? Ha? Kuya?
Oh my God, may mga bomba.
Uy, nakikita mo ko?
Hindi. Ang hirap-hirap. Ang hirap-hirap. May mga bomba. Tingnan mo to, ah. Diba? Ang hirap. Pero parkour master ako, syempre.
Ako nandito lang ako kay Buddy, oh.
Hello, Taysha.
Ang galing ko ba? Nagawa ko agad?
Barry! Siga daw si Barry, oh.
Oo, siga. Uy, lang, pindutin ko lang yung button. Ay, napindot ko na.
Ano? Grabe. Ginulat mo ako, Taysha. Akala mo, Barry, ah. Parkour master ako.
Ako yung Buddy. Uy, ano ba? Wala. Nahulog.
Ang bilis, eh. Hindi ako nahulog. May laser dito kasi. May laser. Hindi mo lang nakikita.
Ito yung list ko.
Ikaw kasi, madali. Sa akin mahirap. Pinili ko mahirap, eh. Nag-like and subscribe kasi sila, eh. Si Barry talaga, akala niya siga na siga siya.
Ako na mauuna sa ano.
Akala talaga siya. Barry, ang duga mo naman. Di pa naman start. Duga ni Barry.
Duga?
Hmm. Bari po na. Nabulol yung pet ko.
Hindi inanuhan ni Bobby.
Grabe.
Kadiri tumae.
Hirap talaga ng hard mode.
Kadiri umihi. Ano ba dito? Wow! That's moving. Hello. Umungkay tayo. Aray ko.
Huwag ka na mag-acting.
Wala, may mga lava. Kailangan natin ng parkour ng tuloy-tuloy pa sa aming lugar.
Hey yo! She's hanging, bro. She's hanging for dear life. Hey yo! I'm fishing. I aim to grab you. You know what?
Diyan ka pa din?
Come on, Barry. Let's just fight again. Wait a minute. You can fight Barry. Let's fight to here, Barry. You old junk. Oh my God, Barry got some moves. He got some moves. Bro. Barry's cooking, bro. Barry's cooking. Barry, the shapes are really fantastic. You are not fantastic. You are a fat policeman, and you have
May drinks, tara! May drinks.
bro.
Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Hala, ba't bumilis ako tumakbo?
I'm gonna restart, bro.
Ala,
I cannot do the hard mode, bro. I cannot do the hard mode. Sorry guys, I cannot do the hard mode. I can just do the easy one. Well, it's just normal.
Ayaw ini-English mo?
Wala ka dyan. Mag-vlog natin. Oh, let's go. Hey yo.
Ay, ala guys!
Hey yo.
Hindi gumawa ng kabaw.
I have some money, bro. You want the big thing? You want the big. But let's don't talk about that. Barry, you look like a Gary. Barry looks like a Karen.
Siguro dahil po sa iyo.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Barry got the speed. Hey yo! Hey! You are dumb, Barry. You're so dumb. Barry. Tell me you can teleport. You are the best. Just kidding. You are the worst policeman in the world. Worst. Okay? Don't say you are the good policeman. You look like a joke because you are always fat. Dang! I'm not taking that in my bag. Let's go. I found the best of I'm in the lava. Hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, what are you looking at, bro? Hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo. This skull looks like a ball. Hey. Hey yo. What is that ball doing, bro? What is that ball doing? That's a sound effect. Yeah. That's just a sound effect. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One jump. Two jump. And we're good. Bro. That thing is slow as hell. Let's go. What is this cooler? It said you can boost. Oh! Drink it. Chug, chug, chug. And you can go. Yes! Oh my god. This is hard to control, bro. This is hard to control. It's like a Mr. Beast challenge, bro. I know I never been to one of those Mr. Beast challenge. It is cool and amazing and yep. Bear's prison cannot get weirder. And that cannot get weirder. Hey, what I can buy though? What I can buy with coin? Bro, this thing is expensive as hell. Bro. Hey, yo, how do you not know that, bro? I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. And we're in. We're getting in. Come on, man. Oh, fish. Oh my god. Oh my god, this dude is messing up my ladder, bro. That dude is. Oh yeah. I remember this. This thing is. This one is slow as hell. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo! I almost fell. Bro. What are you looking at, people? What are you looking at, bro? Hey yo, you didn't see something. You didn't see something. I'm a parkour master. Oh my god. My head is so good. Hey yo, look at this jump. I make the jump in no time. Phew. Hey yo. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? I'm sorry, guys. Bro, I'm 20%, bro. This cannot get any weirder. Let's see. Wait a minute. He fall right, almost right here. Oh my god, the bacon is strong, bro. He's strong as hell. You said you're strong? Nah, bro. You're strong? Okay. Let me put that to the test. If you really strong. Oh my god, bro. That's slow as hell. That dude cannot get me more angry. Bro, oh my god, I almost fell. What's to my death? Come on, bro. Dash! Oh my god. Guys, don't mind the sound effects. That's not me. That's just the sound effects. Ayo! Oh my god, bro. I beg you. Rainbow fair.
I-choose din na lang.
Okay. Focus.
Small burger.
Focus. Ako gusto ko pizza.
Burger lang eh.
Push.
Saan burger?
Oh my god.
Kanino?
Sa mama niya ang gila. Wala ka dyan.
Habe. Babalik si Angela dito. Habe. Oh my god, that's slow as hell. Okay.
Angel's burger lang.
Pupunta ulit sa sila dito tapos sabihin ng burger.
Oh my god.
Pupunta pero eh. Burger. Sabi ko, andito yung Disney princess ko. Kasi alam ko gusto ni Daisha ng burger.
God!
Bubalik ko yan ah.
Kaya nga ako bumili kasi paperless mo yun eh.
Anong malalaman yung bubalik?
Nakikita ko sa Facebook. Sabi ko ng mama mo.
Slumber. I need to beat the final boss. Come on! Oh, that
Nalilito
jump
ako dito
is
sa maze.
slow as hell! Ayo! I don't even know what to say. Barry, you look good today.
Ano ba to? Kalaro ni Travis?
Hindi. Nag-ano ako eh. Nagbibideo ako. Dito din.
Dito.
Dito sa YouTube ko to. Dito sa YouTube ko to. Tingnan mo. May multo dyan, tita.
Ayoko may multo eh. Ikaw ah. Paano babalik sa taas?
Tingnan mo ako, tita. Di ba YouTuber na ako? Ito yun, no? Ayun, no, tingnan mo. Pablo.
Naku, gusto na naman yung cellphone ni Travis.
Hindi na ako nagbabalot. Okay na yung mga laro ko eh.
Did we?
Nagpasok sila Travis sa Martes. Wala nga, holiday na.
Holy Orange Lord.
Sa Martes na sila holiday. Ay, pag yun.
I'm finally free!
Sino ba humahabol dito?
I thought this is the freedom. My God!
Narinig mo yan?
Bro, this is slow as hell. Bro, I almost hit the piece. Sino yung humahabol, tita?
Uy!
Tingin, tita, tingin yung humahabol.
Si Bacon! Patay na ako.
Hindi na.
Marunong ka na? Ha?
That is slow as hell.
Ayaw ko
on.
natatakot.
Come on, Choco! Come on, let's go, bro! Let's go,
Ang
Gigi!
pa naman to kasi unti pa yung person.
Oh, this is the boss. This is the boss. If I beat the boss, you need to like and subscribe, bro. I'm not joking. If I beat the boss, you
Ako
need
nabili ng
to
laro.
like and subscribe.
Ganda.
I'm not joking. Seriously. Seriously, guys. If I beat the boss, you need to like and subscribe.
Tulong.
If not,
Trouble sa akin.
I will be under your bed tonight. Oh my God.
Burger! Kahit sa burger!
That is so. That is long. What, bro? You slow as hell. You slow as hell, bro. You are slow as hell. Guys, sorry. Please. Bro. You can stop my shot, bro. That's an easy best shot, bro.
Nandito na ako, tita.
Sa TikTok tayo.
That's
Tita,
just
nandito na ako sa beach namin, oh.
that's just one hit, bro.
Smile. That's serious. Smile muna.
Oh my God.
Smile muna.
I'm driving a police car.
Smile muna. Dito ka.
Tapos,
Smile muna.
But seriously,
Smile muna. Huwag ko naman pakita.
uwi na. Sige na.
Smile. Yan na nga lang tayo nagkita sa cellphone mo.
Hindi yan gumagana TikTok ko eh. Wala ko dyan TikTok eh.
Okay. Ito.
I'll get the gold.
Oh, pakinggan mo rin. Smile muna.
Ayo.
Smile muna.
Basta may sunod ba
Oh,
daw?
smile muna. Smile.
Tapos ito.
Oh, sasabihin ko pag ganyan, na smile muna. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Ganda.
Ganun.
Ganda.
Maganda. Okay, ganun. Yan, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, tapos serious. Ano, paano ba serious, Travis? Ayan, sige, serious. Ay, hindi, may serious yun. Serious, ganun. Yan, ganyan, serious, ha? O, dali, Travis, wag mo.
Hindi ganito na ako.
Hindi, mamaya sunod dyan. Ganun muna, serious. Ulit. Konting ganun lang. 1, 2, 3.
Ganito. Nasa
Hindi, hindi kita eh. Ganun. Tingin ka pa rin sa camera. Serious. Hindi, titingin dito. Ganito lang, oh.
Ito. Ito.
Wag yayo ko ganun.
Ito. Ito.
Yan, okay.
Ayo. Second this money.
Ayan na, ganun na. Ganun na. Ako din siya si tita.
Ha?
I finally escaped. finally, a police. Taisha, natapos ko na yung bari. Natapos ko na yung bari. Alam mo kung ba gana ako kabilis.
Shades naman. May shades ka naman, Taysha. Dali. Ay, Laris. Ito ko t-shirt. Get shades on your eyes. May shades ka. Bakit ka lang?
Wait na ba?
Oo, ganyan. Dito ka nga kasi malayo eh. Dawa, panoorin mo na O, diba? O, hindi natin yung try. Siyempre, makasili ko na.
Okay.
O, yan, ganyan. Okay, pagka ganun, acting so the mysterious. Paglipat ko, suot mo na agad to, ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, pagod. Habis kayo.
Wait lang, wag muna kami. Guys, hindi ko po alam nangyari, pero dito ko na po itatapos ang video ko. Please like and subscribe, and paki-comment and share naman dyan. Tsaka, bye-bye!